My name is Okoro Chidinma Lilian. I'm a fourth-year student from the Department of Agricultural Extension, University of Nigeria, Nsukka. I'm a fourth-year student. I'm on IT in the University of Nigeria, Nsukka farm. Here we have different units. We have the cattle unit, we have the poultry unit, we have the micro livestock unit, we have the piggery unit, and we shuffle it every week. Currently this week I'm working in the piggery unit. Here what we do every day basically is when we come to the farm, we clean the pig pens, we take out their dungs, then we mix the pig food. What we give them here is the spent grain, the PKC, which means palm kernel cake, and the cassava peel. And if you notice, when you are mixing their food, you will see the pigs giving this sound of joy. They are excited that their food is coming. Actually, it's so funny how it can be. Then after giving them their food, we give them their water, and then we just make sure everything is taken care of. Then we close the place and go. Pig farming is a very, very lucrative business, really, because the cost of production is low, and then with the high increase, the demand of pig now in Nsukka, like people that go into pig farming, they really make the money, because with just little capital you can raise your pigs and make a whole lot of money in it. So I advise anybody out there that wants to go into pig production, you're not going to regret it. Thank you.